I hope you have a great day. In this lesson, you can learn how to design this beautiful business infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to Format Background, and I'm going to give it some different color. Go to Insert and take a rounded rectangle from two sides, this one, and drag it and rotate it by holding this handle like this. Go to Insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle horizontally like this, and let me make it fix. Okay, Control D to duplicate it for later use. And now select these both shapes and go to Merge Shape Union. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, white fill, and I'm going to give it some shadow effect. I'm going with this shadow effect. Transparency increase will be around about 75, and size will be 102, and blur 8. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Fix. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller first of all by holding Shift Alt, and I'm going to check it here. So I think it's okay. Make it a little bit more smaller. Yes. Go to Insert and take a triangle and drag a triangle like this horizontally and rotate through this handle by holding Shift and place it here at the center of the first triangle. Select both and go to Merge Shape Union. Go to Insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle like this vertically and align it. Select both Merge Shape and Fragment. Select this one, delete, and now select these two shapes and shape outline, make it no outline. Control G to group it, and now place it here. Let me align it through the arrow keys. Select one side, this one, I think this one side, and through the eyedropper I'm going to give it the first color from the color palette. Select this one and the recent color, go to more color and make it little bit darker, that it gives a 3D look. Select this one and I'm going to give it some shadow effect, this one, and I think okay, increase the transparency around about 70, and size will be 102 and blur will be 5. Go to Insert and take a text box. Let me take a text box 101 and place it here. Okay, Oswald, and hit enter. Place it here, and this side again, and let me go to again take a text box and step. This is step 1. Okay, go to Oswald and hit enter. Let me make it uppercase. Yes, and place it here. I'm going to bring some text Let me align it, and now I'm going to bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Select this one, and for the headline I'm going with this headline, business infographic. Control C and Control V to bring to the recent slide. Okay, let me align these text in the shape that it gives a premium look, so I'm going to make it perfect. Okay, now select all these shapes and Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and place it in a row with the first shape like this. Control D to duplicate it, and again Control D to duplicate it. You can increase or decrease these shapes according to your requirements. Let me select this one shape, this one, and through the eyedropper I'm going to give it the second one color from the color palette, and again this one color, recent color, and go to more color and make it a little bit darker that it gives a 3D look. Okay, and let me change the number to 1 to 2. Likewise this one, select this side shape, right side shape, and through the eyedropper I'm going to give it the third one color from the color palette, recent color, and go to more color and make it a little bit darker. Select this color, this shape, and through the eyedropper I'm going to give it the fourth one color and make it a little bit darker. Now I'm going to select these text. Let me bring the text tab, so I'm going to take an text tab, and so let me select the white color to these text. Now select this one and this one, and also give the white color, this one, yes. Select this text and white color, and also select this one, and give the white color. Let me place it here at the middle of the slide. I'm going to give a shadow effect to the headline. Select these shapes, and I'm going to put these shapes under the headlines. Under the headline I'm going to put these shape. This is the first one, the last one, the third one, no sorry, the third one, and this is the, let me select these shapes, oh sorry, and go to align bottom, and distribute horizontally. Thank you for watching.